Man. Alrighty. So currently, I want this to come down here when you enter. Oh, really? Alrighty. So currently. Yeah. I would like for this to come down here to the yellow line, or somewhere around there. Got into this trade earlier right here, so I got my stop like 2 pips above my entry, so, and I also got in CAD, so that's still going. Just gotta see. Probably get a pullback. We got that VB, so we cool. So we'll take this to VBC. We'll take that one. I want this chef to pull back some more before VB. Dang, it's about the VB. It's VB in now. I might just enter this trade right now, but I wanted to pull that back down here because I want to enter this trade. I might just get in right now. I mean, technically get in right here, so that's still good. So probably go down here. 50. Let's put this down. Probably about 57, somewhere around here, somewhere like right there. But I want to get out up here, so that's why I might bring my stop up. So yeah, that's too. So that's why I needed to come down here. I'll be golden. I have my stop bar right there. It'd be golden if I can do that. I just don't know what it's gonna do. But yeah, this would be a trade to get in. I'm already in 2 GB, 2 pairs. This one hasn't VB yet, so I don't know what this is gonna do. This might come back and take me out like 2 pips in profit, which is okay. I didn't mess with GJ, GCAT. That's gonna VB, but that's right at the 60, so that could come right back down. But I hope hope it busts through. But anyway, good. We're gonna win both of these trades because I got my stop loss and profit to stop profit. So if it comes out and hit it, I'm not tripping. But this G Chef is the one I really want. Oh, let's look at EG. EG probably doing it on the exact opposite. No, but just G Chef, I wanted it to come back down more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter G Chef on a small lot size because I want it to come down here. If it came down here, that'd have been freaking awesome. I don't want it to. It might just go ahead and shoot up since it's already VB. That's the only thing I hate. I'm just gonna go ahead and enter this. this that much. Dang, I know it is. Oh, forget it, man. Dang it. Because I don't want to enter right now, but just kind of peed that it's. It's playing with me. It don't want to go up for me. I mean, it's already VB, so I mean. This person sent me a friend request on Facebook. I already know they trying to get me into a business or something. Looked at their profile. They were doing Bitcoin mining and all that other stuff, which is. But I respect entrepreneurs, so the one thing I do, I tell them to get straight to the point. That's why I just said, "What do you got to offer me?" I'm not going to join anything or whatever because my focus is on trading. I don't care what type of Bitcoin you mining or anything like that. Respect your hustle, but trading is where it's at for me. All right, so we're going to see. I'm going to enter this now. Forget it. Let me see something. I wish I can. Yeah, we're going to go ahead and enter this trade. I'm going to enter this now. Forget it. Let me see something. I wish I can. Hey, hold on now, buddy. Hold on. I'm trying. All right. Enter with a small lot size. If it comes down, I enter with the rest of it. We'll see what happens. But the way it VB, but Chef, I find the G Chef pairs like to come down. They like to give you that pullback. But we'll see what this does. So yeah, I'm hoping it does come at least down in here. I do like this trade just because we do the aqua is starting to come over the white, and that means on the 4 hour should be a shift going on. It's not quite there yet, but usually when, let me see where we are. I can't see where the usually, well, once the on the 15-minute the aqua and the white is the red and the yellow on the on the 15-minute, yeah, it's on the 4 hour. So we'll see what this trade does. Only thing, I really don't like the big long candles too much, but we'll see what happens. See what EU doing. EU giving us anything. So right now we are in good profit with GCAT. What is GU? Okay. We're still in profit with GU. I didn't take any of these. But y'all remember when I was telling y'all what GU was doing, like I didn't get in, but right here would have been the gravy. I said what was on that weekly D-Lo, I think last Friday, we was talking about it. That weekly D-Lo right here. And that sucks because I was at work, so it's like I can't get in because I'd have got in right here. And let's go back to the 15-minute. You want to see exactly where it's at. You'd have caught that thing straight from the bottom, like right here. So let's just say you'd have got in right there. Now you could have got in twice, right here and right there. So let's just say you got in right here. You've been up already over 60. You done much as 65 pips. But of course, I was at work, so I missed it. But anyway, I see that. I called it. I said we're gonna look for GU to go long this week. We wanted to come up here to this to the white. It's heading up that way. It could have been in mad good profit too. I'm Pete. I missed it. What is G? Okay, G Chef starting to pull down. Come on down here so I can tag you. Let's see what it does. Check out some more. Man, I wish that would have gave us a D-Low. Why did I do that? Let me see what it did on a 5 minute. Really, market is kind of quiet today, so I'm not really jumping into anything, with my normal lot sizes, just because it's Monday, which is trap day. So when if you trade on Mondays or Fridays, you got to be careful. A lot of times this is where they just trap traders in both directions, so really the market is really just hitting the EMA. That's why I'm not messing with anything. G Chef look okay. I only took G Chef just because the GU and GCAT is moving in a direction, and a lot of times G Chef will go in that direction a little slower on the move, but it'll go there. It's 30 minute. We could be getting a 30-minute D-Low popping off, but I don't know if I would take this just because this is down here, and plus RSI is below the liquid 50, so even if that did close above it in 20 minutes or so, a minute, my bad, I wouldn't take it. It's not even appealing. Look like on an hour. Look at that, you got two of them EMAs just. That's why it's good to go on a higher time frame and check it out. You might see it, you're like, oh, this person getting here. And then you go to a higher time frame and, yeah. Well, I'm on the 30 minute. Oh, I really don't even like trading off the 30, but they be hitting sometimes though. Hold on now. What is this? U-Chef? This would be a D-Low, but it's like, yeah. But is it one I would want to? It's too far away from the aqua, so I wouldn't even take it. Even if it does. It's not, but I don't like it. It's not too far away, I guess. RSI is above, so I don't like that. But a liquid 50, and I don't like that, so nah. I wouldn't take that trade just because of, not saying that it won't go down, but I just don't like it. That thing could shoot down, but we'll see what happens with that one. We'll keep an eye on it. Hold on, I gotta get my charger. charger for my phone die. I gotta find my cord. I don't know what I do with my cord. My phone gonna die. My phone gonna die. There we go. Can't let my phone die in case I need to get out of it, exit out of a trade. That wouldn't be good. Slow day today in the markets. Let's see what G-Chef doing, if it's doing anything. Hoping tomorrow be on and popping. Usually the best days to trade is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So let's go see what G-Chef doing. Probably nothing. Oh, man, it went down there. Look at that. It went close enough down there. So we'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Did it VB out and came back in? Man, that little punk ass VB. I don't know what this gonna do now. It did go out, but it can go right back out though. So we'll see. We'll see what it does. You can actually trade off of this. Let's see something real quick. Oh, there we go. There we go. Uh-oh. There we go. Go ahead and move then. Let me see something. Oh, we could have got in. Let's see. Got in a little higher, but look at that. Needed to come up here. Be that 1-to-2 ratio. So y'all seen that. We in profit. I wish I would have caught it because I would have got in again. I would have hit it with my other lot size too, but I didn't. But we'll see what it does. Okay, this haven't VB yet, but it's trying to. We could get out right here. That's at the what's that last week's high, I think. From here to here, we have 30 pips. So we good with GU. Let me go ahead and set that up to where I was in, where I got in. I might, but we might VB though, so we might hit the VB. We might hit the VB. CAD, I already know CAD, but we're gonna set up where I got in, got out, but I mean got in that. Okay. Woo, come on, let's go. Let's go. And we're gonna set up the G-Chef too. Cause I don't know if y'all got in, but y'all heard me say that I was getting in. So you can't deny that one. We'll make this about 3 pips below this. Make that 20. Alrighty, let's see. We might be already at a 1-to-2. For real, let's see. Boom. Oh yeah, we already have 1-to-2. Oh, stop that. take this off of here. I believe we already at 1 to 2 ratio. Yeah, we look at that. We passed the 1 to 2 ratio. Like we don't take no trades unless it's a 1 to 2 ratio. I mean, we can go a lot more, but let me see something. But yeah, y'all know where I say I want this thing to go. Let's go to the weekly. I want this baby to, like, I might just hold this trade, and because I need it to come up here. It would be awesome. Look at that, right around here, wherever this is at. But you continue to watch it because it's going to move. It's a moving average, so that's why it's moving average. It's going to move. So that'd be entry right here. It'd be like 180 pips. That won't be today. That's what I'm talking about, though. So that's kind of where I want to go with this. So let's hold on. You talking about a ratio now? Jeez. See, this is how we trade, man. Like, oh my goodness. Ay. So, like, of course, we're gonna meet resistance in, all of these areas. But what I would like to do is this trade right here. If this goes right, this trade, I'll just hold it. And of course, we can get pullbacks. And once it give me more entries, I just hit it again with different entries, like throughout maybe the whole week if it takes that long to get up there. If it goes up there, but if it does, yeah, for sure. So this would be TP. Of course it's gonna move depending on, the average of where it's at. So that'd be that one. Now we was at GCAT. I really don't have I think like TP is probably just going to be VBC. So, we'll see how that goes. Because I didn't really put a TP in on this one. But I know it's got to be at least a 1 to 2. And I think we already passed that. I don't want no all caps. Boom, 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 boom. God, man, this mouse, ever since I dropped it, it does this crazy stuff. Make this 68. I believe that's about right. So now let's see where 1 to 2 be at. For this at Lisa, and we might be already there. Oh yeah, we might be already past there, but we taking this to VBC, so we will see what we end up with. Now we ain't at the 1 to 2 yet. It'll be about right up here. So now let's see what G Chef doing. I hope this thing is taking off. Woo! Yes. Man, if y'all didn't get in this trade, man, y'all be sleeping on, man. Yes. Woo! Okay. We about to come. We creeping up to that 1 to 2, and we VB, baby. Know what's going to happen? That thing gonna come up to the 60 and pull back. And then 60 is probably going to be right where the 1 to 2 at. That's what I'm talking about. Come on now, man. Did I not or did I not call this on the live? Right here live. Called it. We good. Even though I got in a little later than what I wanted to. Or earlier. I don't know what you want to call it. Because I got in kind of. And I guess I got it out. I mean, it's a okay entry. I'm not tripping on it. So, what was my entry on my MT4? 8. So it's kind of like right at the. I'm gonna to see something real quick. Let me see if this right at the. It's like 0.2 pips above the above the close of that candle. So I got in when my MT4 put me. Actually, I got in, but just because the spread. So I actually was like a couple pips down here, but the spread it's like 2 pips. So it's gonna put you like 2 pips higher than where you clicked it at. So right here it put me at 8847. So let's see how that goes. Like I said, we got the next candle to close. We got to close in profit on the next candle for me to stay in this trade. If it doesn't, I'm gonna get out. So let's just say that this next candle close down here. If it closes anywhere below that my entry, I'm out. That's the rules, and that's how you save your accounts. Yeah, sometimes it can close below and then it can shoot up, but yeah, more than all times it doesn't. I don't even know what's the spread on it. Was it like 2 pips? I think. Yeah, I said that, but let me make sure. Yeah, so we'll go like. Let's do 59. That'll be our stop loss. Close up around here for that 1 to 2 at least. Somewhere up in here would be good. And wherever that 60 goes, because we VB like, well, let me see. Like that thing is riding it. I mean that thing is riding it. So it's like, is it VB? Is it? It's like it's out and then trying to go back in, and it might. So this thing might have some freaking go to it. It might have some go to it. That next candle might shoot the fuck up. So let's look at. I did want to look at try, didn't I? I'm not even sure what time. What was it? The hour for a buy for a sale, I believe. No. I thought it was one of them for like a sale. Maybe it's a 30-minute. Guess not. I don't know what the hell I was looking at then. Was I looking for a buy? I guess it was a buy one to see what it's gonna do. But yeah, this is actually a D-low, but that's not one that I like. Hey, you ain't gonna even zoom out on that one. I'm not even trading that, so. What is silver looking like? Garbage. Says in an uptrend. Hold on, let me see something. Dang, I thought that closed above. Oh yeah, did I miss it? I was looking at this. That's an hour. I think I saw this on an hour for like a buy, I believe. Yeah, look at that. That looks sexy. I'm not gonna lie. It's a good entry right there. This is big. This is cryptocurrency. This is ETH. So Ethereum. I mean, looking way up here. Versus, and that one, that ratio off the chain. But I'm not. I don't really trade crypto, but man, this thing look promising. I mean, especially if this can pull this, go up and pull that over there, it's coming up there. But you know, crypto is a whole different ball game. They follow their own rules, but they still respecting those EMAs though. So, but yeah, like if I wasn't already in this trade, and like if I had a demo account, I don't have a more demo account, but if I had a demo account, I'd definitely trade this to see what it does. Matter of fact, ain't like I can't set up one. That's how quick it is. Let me see if anybody see anything. Like people be asking questions, but they ask it in my. They don't ask on the live. They go to just the public one. So I don't really be getting it until I close out. But yeah, I wanna take this ETH, but I wanna take it in demo. I'm gonna log into my broker and set up a demo account real quick. But while we're doing that, we can still go through and check out some pairs, see what they're doing. Just had another 15-minute lapse, so like, man, these pairs been sucking, man. Even last week, it hasn't been that good to me. I mean, the market hasn't looked that good. I don't know because we're coming upon election time or what. Then, plus the president, being diagnosed with COVID. So people probably on pins and needles to see what the outcome gonna be. So the market ain't moving like it used to, like it wants to. But so let's go to my accounts. We're gonna create an account. Select type. We want a demo. Say D-low. Leverage. Balance. We're gonna start at $1,000. So yeah, man, ain't nothing really happening. We just gonna work our way up to back up to the pound pairs. I just like the pound pairs. Like when I first started, I didn't know why like people, like traders be like they like pound pairs and stuff like that. I mean, I see why, because I like it, like pound pairs as well. Especially like GU. I think like that's my favorite pair. I need to start getting back to study it more, because you understand how a pair moves. Can make some serious dough. What's crazy was before I even was before like this trading method. I'm gonna check this out in a minute. But before this trading method, I would not mess with US pairs, because it's like no matter what I did, it went the opposite way. So I was like, man, forget that. So this might be a good line. It's just so many hits right there that hasn't. So gotta be cautious on that one. And you, let me see what you're trying to do. Yeah, I don't know. I guess that one is trying to go down, even though. Alright, so we're gonna. I already created my demo account that quick, so now I gotta put in my info and stuff. Then we're gonna. Alright, so demo created. Let's go back here. Hope it ain't take off on me. Let's see something. Because what we want to do is we want to get in this trade. I'm gonna get in this trade. I gotta go in. Find it now. ETH USD. I really wanted to. I'm gonna come back to it, because I'm gonna see if it pushed down here first. We pushed. You mother sucker, you. Forget it. We just gonna enter this trade. It's demo, so we still good. So I'm gonna enter this. Going to bet a mini lot. Alright, so we enter that. Dang, man, that spread was, geez, so 9 pip spread. Chill loaded. Alright, so let's go back, make our way up now. Let's see what these pairs are doing. So far, they all ain't doing nothing. Ooh, NCD Cat said, forget that. That thing's shooting down. Hold on. If that's the case, well, not necessarily. Is CAD getting strong? Does that mean GCAD is coming back down? Could that be what that means? We gotta hurry up and get up there. We got to get up there. We got to get up there. Yeah, EMAs is just all over the place. That might have been a good one. Yeah, I did. One thing I don't like about this is all these hits to this, what's that, last week's low maybe? Or maybe last week's high doesn't. The low. So, got too many hits there. I think could be one to come up. And we just now crossing the liquid 50. So, yeah. Don't know what this gonna do. That thing could be shooting, could go down. Look like it's trying. That's actually creating that's a D-low right there. Let me see. Let me make sure. Yeah. Oh yeah, this BTS action right here. What we need. If it doesn't, if it hit, it already hit it. That's why. Dang it. Come up here. Yeah, I ain't gonna mess with that one. He can no. The Euros took off though, but just look like. Okay, man, mad because this is right here. That would have been an MES, pew pew, but. German 30, US 30. It's Monday, ain't too much popping off. Come on, G Chef, what are you doing? Okay, so we are still in profit on this one. So it's trying to break this. So that's the hard time it's having. It's trying to break this area right here. So we'll see if it can. Oh, EVB, we might be good. Come on, stop doing that. So we might be good. EVB, let's see what CAD do. CAD pull back on us? Nah. CAD still moving. Yay. Yay. CAD moving. GU better still be moving for me. We're gonna go to GU last though. We about to look at them pounds moving. Knew them jokers gonna start moving up, man. Yes. Oh, we done hit the 1 to 2 already. We hit that already. Oh, I'm looking like, dang, hold on, man. I'm looking at our news for our movie theaters was open now. It's saying it's going to go to Regal Cinemas nationwide to close over COVID-19 delays. Closing all of 526 Regal Cinemas location in the U.S., including the Regal Code. Well, that's on our, as well as another in the UK, 127 UK locations. We can't confirm we are considering the temporary closure of our UK US, but a final decision hasn't been released yet. The move comes on the heels of a delay in the release of the newest James Bond film, which is the latest on the list. 21 or later due to COVID-19 pandemic impacted by the halt. So let me go look at my and get back to my real account. Look at my GCAD trade. That's barely in profit. So we'll see what that does. See, it's having a hard time breaking that, but it might push through. It's trying to push through. If it pushes through, it's coming up here, at least up here. So that's what that's trying to do, is push, break this, then go up. So we'll see. We shall see. We got 3 minutes and change. See what you do. If you close below this, I'm out. You haven't even VB yet. See what CAD doing. Oh, CAD. CAD VB though. Still in VB. So yeah, that's pretty much all that I see for these trades today. Cause I'm not gonna enter any new trades after 10 o'clock. So if I don't see anything else, I'm done for today. Just hold the trades I got. Let's see what the market gives us tomorrow. Since that was one of the best trading days anyway. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Oh, buddy. G-Chef want to play games with your boy. I really would like it to close above this. That'd be awesome. So let's see what it does. Listen to. I don't know why this doggone thing be acting. Sometimes it don't want to type, sometimes it does. No, it don't want to type. Jeez. There you go. Oh, snaps. That's my mouse. I done already dropped it now, and now it probably gonna never work. Man. It's so cheap. You wouldn't ever think that they would have a cheap for a Mac. Oh man, I think I messed my mouse up completely. Yeah, buddy. We might be done for the day, y'all, because I done dropped my mouse and that thing acting retarded. Like, I can barely click it. Snaps. My stroller thingy ain't working. I done broke everything in this joker. Bear with me, y'all. Oh man. Now a little round ball in the middle. It don't even work no more. I done fucked it up. Jeez. Dang it. swear God, it take the whole damn. That's crazy. Like I got my whole top piece off. I don't even see how this thing is even doing it. This is funny.
Took a shot at trot, man, that shit be crazy, crazy. They said profits good, man, I say that shit's amazing. You know we talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. We know we on our pimp walk, that pimp walk. $1 million brother donation. Started from the bottom, we ain't playing. Gotta keep that heat on that goal line. You know he talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. You can't understand us, we don't play fair. Rolling up them bands, tell them market makers on the yacht. We came for all them pimps, you a sturdy. Drop the top my whip, I be swerving. I can't believe them profits hitting early. Markets make us hit, go strange. We be talking pimp talk, we be copping whips too. We be on that pimp walk, GBP and EU. In the Pino manners, man, we swerving. I'ma put my thumb on the button. Took a shot at trot, man, that shit be crazy, crazy. They said the profit's good, man, I say that shit's amazing. You gotta keep that heat on that goal line. You know he talk that.
I'm trying to fix my.
You know he talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. I'm about to fuck this cash up. Gotta keep that heat on that. Gotta keep that heat on that goal line. You know he talk that pimp talk, that pimp talk. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. You can't understand us, we don't play fair. Rolling up them bands, tell them market makers on the yacht. Fuck this cash up on a new pair. On a hit, go strange. We be talking pimp talk, we pays.
Yeah, that thing like a permanent push down.
We know we on our pimp walk, that pimp. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. I'm about to fuck this cash up on a new pair. You can't understand us, we don't play fair. Rolling up them bands. Yeah.
We still gonna stay in. We was in profit up here, so we'll see what this does.
We got it like that. We taking over the world.
I gotta fix my mouse
We
stuff.
taking over the whole world. You know everybody's gonna be here, right? If you want to reach consistency in the market, so would be low nation. There's so many imitators. There's only one of us. Yeah, I'm all in my back 'cause I got it like that. I got the crash by the running right back. Yeah, I'm all in my back 'cause I got it like that. I got the crash by the running right back. No FOMC, the yellow straight good with the dealer. My tool bag, I pull up the strap. Cashing out hundreds, my money straight green. Counting up pips with the action on screen. Yeah, I'm all in my back 'cause I got it like that. I got the crash by the running right back. Yeah, I'm all in my back 'cause I got it like that. I got the crash by the running right back. No FOMC, the yellow straight good with the dealer. My tool bag, I pull up the strap. Cashing out hundreds, my money straight green. Counting up pips with the action on screen. All about that money, I'm counting the stats. About to hit chairman, I run with the pack. I make $1 million, Billy. I travel the world with a baddie, not holding me back. Making unlimited funds from hundreds to ones. Don't matter, this work can be frank. Running the accounts 'cause the crop I'm the cream. And I'm all in the function like dealer, I scream. Pretty getting ready for the drop. Gotta click the blue button 'cause the red getting hot. Is the red line cutting like it's about to hit the spot, yeah. See 1, 2, 3 to the 4. Questions we answer 'cause we on quick mode. Answers up must be a yes in a row. Dealer, the national dealer. I'm all in my back 'cause I.
Hey man, Shafty says fuck y'all. Let's see what GU and all the other shit doing. That shit probably. GU still doing this thing. GU. What about GCAT? If GCAT closes, if this candle closes in, I'm gonna get out. And now we still be good.
Got a whole damn and the money keeps coming. Cut a deep ass dive off the pair you try, you just keeps on running. If y'all up at the bad, put your hand up in the sky, cause we get this money. Yeah, no time for flexing, man, we all finessing, and these marks we coming. Got it. Drill, make it drill, drill, make it drill, drill, make it drill, drill, make it drill, make it drill, make it drill, drill, make it drill, drill, make it drill, TP, no stop loss, here, see, I'ma make it drill. CT, all four step, BCLS, yeah, come on, the pills. Drill, make it drill, drill, make it drill, drill, make it drill, drill, make it drill. Let's go back in the GJ. I'ma come a stack for the whole play. Give my 4 steps, cause it's easy. Yeah, gonna go chairman for the pay. Breezy chewing, combine my vision. All of these headers just get out my way. If you ain't down for the deal. You are not living, but living for fame. Yeah, if you go on this 7, but you stuck at 6, gotta level up the zone. If your boss said no, but you need an extra push, got the deal on say. Yeah, every little ass know when you drop your job from living for the aim. It's the main damn reason why you should be grinding so hard in this race. Yeah, make it drill, 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 no stop loss, here, see, I'ma make it drill. CT, all four step, BCLS, yeah, come on, the pills. Deal, make it drill, deal, make it drill, deal, make it drill, deal, make it drill, yeah. Deal, make it drill, drill, make it drill, deal, 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 make it drill. TP, no stop loss, here, see, I'ma make it drill. CT, all four step, BCLS, yeah, couple hundred pills. Deal, make it drill, deal, make it drill, deal, make it drill, deal, make it drill, yeah. It's you. You are the reason I move. It's you. You are the reason that I am.
Let's go, cat. Blockity, blockity, block. Got like 20 more minutes to see if anything else gonna pop all up. It don't look like it. Man, this mouse, man, I don't fuck this mouse up. Man. There you go. Let's see if it. Oh yes, and you is gonna be my trade. I told you, you was like my favorite pair, man. We done passed. Told you I was holding this trade. I wanted to come up. Stop it! Don't you do that. I wanted to come up here. Woo! Blockity, 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 block. Let's go. This is where my money is at too. That's where I got my big lot size on this. Yeah, 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 yeah. So right now we are sitting pretty with a. Oh yeah, I wanted to see what this risk reward ratio will be. It comes all the way up here. Come on now, let's woo 1 to 12. We got 1 to 12.5. Ratio. Come on now. What I'm talking about. We do this over here. You call me the block ball, blockity. Okay. Getting that 1 to 2, baby. G-Chef playing with me. That's the one that's playing. This thing might end up just shooting up. But we're gonna hold this. I just needed to break this. Either this thing gonna go up or it's gonna hit my stop loss, one or the other. I don't care. I got like a super small lot size on this one. So we'll see what happens with this. But it's playing. It might be creating that M to shift down, but we'll see. But I kind of like it because we got the aqua and we got the 200 down there for like support. So let's see if this thing crossed on the 4 hour. Still didn't shift yet? Oh, it already shifted. Yes, it did. I'm tripping. I think it shifted a while ago. Bloggity. Hold on. Tripping. Yeah, it already shifted. Oh, I mean, duh. Shifted. I'm looking up here for the shift, but it shift right here. Yeah, it already shifted, so I do like it. So let's see if this thing gonna. Hold on. I'm gonna say that was the MES on the 4 hour. No, it ain't. No, no, it is baby going. We just have to be patient, see what this does. But what it could do, that thing could throw another D-low. If it throw another D-low, let's say this thing closes it below this, and then this one, next candle closes up here. Oh man. But we'll see. Gotta take a loss. That's one thing about trading, baby. You're gonna take L's, but what we do is we show people how you can lose more than you win and still be profitable. Why? Because shit like this, risk to reward, 1 to 2. So that means we lose. Let's say 22.5, 22 and a half pips if we lose. But if we win, we got 45. Right? So 1 to 2. Or if you come up here, stop it. Or if you come up here, go back to you. Oh, this mouse. Jeez. Or if you come up here and potentially you could lose 15 pips or get, hold on, where are you at? It must be all up here. Yeah, about to say, or 187 pips. I would take that trade all day, every day, because we do have exits to where you get out. It doesn't mean you're gonna hold it all the way up here. You got exits where you can get out. It's like this trade right here, we won. Like, there's no way I'm losing this. This one or GCAT. These two are winners already because my stop loss is already in stop profit. Plus, I know my exits. The G-Chef, I don't know what the hell this is gonna do. This thing look like it's trying to go down, so it is what it is on that one. We'll see what happens. That pullback could mean that it's gonna shoot up, or we could just be creating an M. But ultimately, I do think we're going to move up. So I like these EMAs and what they're trying to do. Man, this mouse is fucked. Man, where's my Blue Party song at? That's what I want to listen to. There we go. Oh, we turned back and Chef took off. You know, say that pullback right here could mean gonna shoot up. I just hope it doesn't pull back and hold on. What you doing? What you doing, Chef? You got this TDI. You out there getting closer to that 60. Okay. Come on, man. Y'all see what's going on. Now we gotta see if we can push through this, man. We need to push through this. Y'all see it keep hitting that this high right here. Having trouble breaking it. We got that, and we got that 60. We need a strong push. Honestly, I just wanted to come up here to the top of Asia. If it does that, I might just get out. That's what I needed to get up to, but it's bullshitting. Gunning. Let's see this one more. Start this from the beginning. This is my song right here. It's that Blue Party. The MT4 is blue. Making that money, baby. Somebody tell G-Cad quit bullshitting and go ahead and bust through that high right there, man. I'm gonna work on my website some today too. Look at that, keep hitting that high and dropping. So we'll see what happens. Usually I don't mess around. Usually I don't mess around because it gets so many hits to that high, then it'll drop. So this thing could just drop, which I don't care. I mean, I don't want it to, but if it does, I'm not going to be shitty because my lot size is so small. Because I wanted it to come down here. If it came out here, and it did a different story, like I probably would have been already out the trade because I would have moved my stop up just because I didn't want to play with this. So if it came down here, and once it came up here, I seen that, and then it dropped back down, and once it came up here, I would have moved my stops to like 2 pips in profit, and if it came back and out, it would have probably took me out the trade. I probably would have been out the trade at 2 pips profit, which I'd have been cool with because, my trades that I was, that I liked anyway, they're still going in profit. So this one right here is like, of course we want it to come up here, but it's having trouble breaking that. So we'll see what happens. So I really want to see what this does. But we got so many hits. Boom, boom, boom. Honestly, I almost didn't take GU. Was it GU? Yeah. I almost didn't take this trade because of all these hits right here. It just kept hitting top of Asia. Usually, I mean, it can, but I seen we had that dealer on the weekly. I was like, man, let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Like, I gotta take it. Like, it's right here resting on the 50 on the aqua. Come on, man. Let's see what happens. And boom. And CAD. So that he got the aqua, and we got the 200 for support. And both of the candles are above both of them, so like the EMAs are below, so are cutting through. So that's good. So that's why I liked it this trade as well. Chef moves slow, so because the chef pays is one of the higher. It's the second highest GBP pairs out of all of these. It's EG first, then it's chef. It's EG, then G chef, then I believe it's GU, then probably GJ. Yeah, I know GJ right up under that, and I believe then it's GCAT. I can't believe GN and GA. One of them is I forgot which one. It might be GN and GA because I know they both pay out sucky, but they move fast, so everything kind of evens out. The higher paying ones move slower than the ones that don't pay out that much. So let's see. Yeah, this thing is annoying as fuck. I swear this thing come back up, bro. I might just get out just so I got a little money out of it. Oh man! And as soon as I get out, I think I shoot up here. One thing about Chef, boy, if you catch this thing right, that once it starts shooting, it's shooting. Like there's no stopping it. Like that thing would just go and go and go. Trying to find, I went in that thing just to like right here when it just sold. That thing just pure just went. It said, look, that's one thing about when the market sells, man, that shit sells. That shit sells. A lot of times when you buying it don't buy like that. But when it starts to sell, it just melts. Yeah, one pull back and drop again. I saw it talk. Look at that, man. When I say this shit move, look at that. Pure pull back. It's just dropping like crazy. We don't just do this for play. Oh man, Chef playing now. Yeah, Chef playing with us. That's playing with us. It's trying to go down here somewhere. Oh, it's creating it look like it's creating that M formation. You check on my G. Look at that. These pairs are giving me that paper, so we good. And there's really no more trades going on, man. Today was slow. Oh, hold on. What did I just see here? That's a D-Lo. Man, we missed it, y'all. And that's silver. Silver be giving them money. It's like, look at that, man. I think that's 40 something. I don't think that's like 500 some pips, but I don't think silver moves like that. I know it moves. But yeah, that's a nice D-Lo. At the end of our support, it came down here. Yeah, that was a nice one. Well, we gotta look at that. Look at this. Yeah, not gonna mess with that, but I wanna look at this ETH. Let me replay this a demo. I wanted to see what it does. Not doing a goddamn thing. Let's go to the hour. It's a 3-hour trade though. So let's see where that's at in 3 hours. But yeah, man, it's so far it's looking like the Chef might not want to act right with G Chef. So I don't give a fuck about this trade at all. I just want to see what the hell it does. My money maker is right there. Let me see. 5 minutes. If this closes in 5 minutes, we out to trade. Tomorrow, I'm expecting the market, the pound pairs to hopefully move, so we can get some more. This haven't even VB yet, but I got a couple different exits. A few different exits. Gonna have problems. fucked. I done broke it. It's broke. Gotta go get another one. I mean, I broke it. I might not be able to cut off my live because I done broke it. Is it even still, is it the mouse even moving? If it moves, something wrong. Like, oh man, I broke the fuck out of this mouse, y'all. Damn. Oh, I forgot I got a whole nother fucking setup somewhere around here. I just like it because this is Mac. But, like my one thing I broke to cut it on. That's what I think I broke, yeah. The on-off switch thingy. I don't even know where it goes. So it might still work, or just my on-off switch. And broke that goddamn thing. I gotta use my other, keyboard and mouse. That one actually works a whole lot better. Just, it's more of a PC one. It's supposed to be for both, but I can't use my Mac shortcuts. Oh, buddy. Find is the Bluetooth thing for this one because I'm gonna put it up somewhere. And Lord knows where that's at. So G-Chef actually went all the way back down to the freaking the blue and yellow. Blue and white. So we'll see what that does. I can't show y'all because the damn mouse thing brokey. I can't find my USB toggle thing, whatever. But what this could do, it could create a deload. So if this next candle closes above this other candle, that's going to be another deload. And I'm gonna get anything. I'm gonna get back in. I'm gonna put another entry in. So we'll see what happens. Let me see if I can find it though. see. We gotta what's the name? GCAT. Let me see if this thing gonna work. Now I think I found it. Found something. Hope it's that one. Need. All right, let's see if it works. Actually, this one work a lot smoother. It's just if it works. Uh-oh. I don't know if it's working or not. It's I mean, these batteries could be dead like a mug for real. Okay, that's on. But this one is on. Let's see. I don't even see no light. That battery might be super dead. Let's change it. There we go. There we got some action now, y'all. Oh, it moves so much better. But what's the name? G Chef ain't doing shit for us. But going the opposite way. Oh, buddy. G Chef, I don't know what the hell you want to do. But you sure don't want to go up. So, let me see. How do you... GCAT. We are out of GCAT. MVB. So, we good. We're good. G-Chef is going down. So, there's nothing we can do about that one. I wanted it to go up. But, it doesn't want to act right. It can't break that. Right there. I'm still in GU for now. The GK I definitely closed. I'm out of that. G-Chef, like I said, I'm gonna see what it does, man. Just cause I'm not out of it yet. Just gonna see what it does. Like I said, my loss saw so like this thing can go down 100 pips and I still can go to sleep because I got a freaking. I just put a 0.0 like a micro lot size on there. I just want to see what it does. So that's why I'm like, like I said, if I'd have put something bigger on there, I mean, even if it's just a mini lot, I would have been out in profit. Like 2 pips, it would have stopped me out. So I just want to see what this does. It look like it's going to shift. It look like it's trying to close below that. So yeah, this thing is definitely done for today. Like it's over. Like this shit is done, man. Market garbage as fuck today. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and close it, man. Cause I'm sleepy. I'm ready to go to sleep. Yeah, it's gonna drop. This thing do move a lot smoother, this mouse. Cause honestly, yeah. For some reason you wanna come down. I don't know why, but you do. Yeah, he created that. Yeah. But the crazy thing is, this motherfucking still got 5-6 minutes to come all the way back up here. It'll bounce off that liquid and come back up. Like for real, that thing, it'll bounce off this liquid down here, come up and close above that. You be like, you know this lucky. But there's a profitable day today, so we good. We're good. See some of GU and all them doing GN. We definitely gonna be on these for the buy tomorrow. So they might start to push down today, and tomorrow shoot up. So we'll see. GJ be acting funny at times. Yeah, I'll be out of that. So that trade profit, GU's profit. I just want to see if it's gonna push up or I'm gonna take this to KC. So if it closes, once it closes below that red, I'm gonna get out. Below the red line, that's when I'm gonna get out. Chef, I bet you Chef at least gonna. Chef is probably gonna. I know it's at least gonna come to here, but it might come down here. You can make some quick money if you like. Once this had closed below that, like. This was a signal that you could have got in like for quick. I know people who I used to trade like that. I knew when it was gonna do that. I knew it was gonna at least come down here and test that. So once that thing closed, like that ain't really too many pips. Look at that. I told you it's gonna come down there. I want to see what they do in this 3 minutes. That thing moving too. Get that LC, it's over. I get that LC, that bitch gonna probably come back down here. EG going up there. Oh yeah, man, this thing just need to quit playing and give a fucking D-low. And so, and it's above the 60. Man, hold up. Let me see something. Hold up. I indicate the W. Doom. I gotta see something real quick. Man, that's beautiful. Let's see. Was this the shift right here, wasn't it? Fucking yeah. And that bitch pulled back here. And you gonna profit, so shit. Let's see. Hold on, what you trying to do? Damn. That bitch coming up here. It's coming up there. We at that 62. He's gonna bust through that. It's gonna go out there just like G Chef going down. Yeah. See, I wasn't. Man, you know, if I'd have seen that, if I'd have saw this before that thing shifted, then I like. Even though I didn't care about G Chef, I would I would have just entered G Chef for a sale because I already knew what it's gonna do. I'd have closed that and just immediately hit sale. Look at that. Because I already knew, especially when I seen this. I seen EG create that W. W to shift. Oh yeah, it's coming up here. It's gonna hit that today. Like if this thing was to pull back to entry, I get in. I get in with a lot size, cause I know where it's going. It's like then I would definitely hit G Chefs if it had pulled up here. If I'd have caught that thing came right here, this where I would have got in there right at the middle of Asia. I'd have been a profit. Like I would have put a lot size on this one. Boom, like 10, 12 pips, yeah. Oh, I see what you're doing to me. I see it. Yeah, got your ass. Man, I would have got up in this trade. Me bullshitting around. Playing around. Look at shit. I lost my damn mouse drop. Broke it. Had to hook up a whole nother damn keyboard and mouse setup. Damn. Alright. I'm just gonna go ahead and close probably this GU. I'm good. We got blue party today, so we'll see. I don't know. We'll see what happens. I'm out of CAD though, so I ain't tripping on that one. But this one right here, man, I wish I wish I would have just entered for a sale because I hadn't seen it from the EG. I might jump in this one, like for real, just jump in it. I tell you, ooh-wee, they playing with me. They are playing with me. Remember, you got like 8 candles to be in profit with this one. So this thing could pull back down, which I'm cool with because it broke this. It broke these structures. So that's a good sign. Honestly, I would like for it to pull back. So we'll see what it does. Yeah, it pulled back right at that 60. I see it's right at the 60. Pull back. The thing needs to pull back. Hit a D-low. But let's look at Chef real quick. Chef pulling up. Oh, that's a shift, but my trade day might not be over. This thing could be doing some. If this fucker comes up here, closes above here, then the next kind of closes be down here. I'm putting a house on it because it's gonna come down to the blue then. If it does that, say this coming pretty close down here, we get it right there. It's coming right here because the blue gonna be right at Asia. So what I'm gonna do is, man, we're gonna hop off for now. But I'm going to tell you right now that I'm going to watch this pair and G-Chef and EG. Because if you see, they doing the exact opposite. You got the blue up here and you got the blue down here. So what I need this to do is give me my D-low. If you give me my D-low, I'm putting a house on this bitch and I'm taking it down to the bottom of Asia, which is that dotted line, which is right here where the blue end up being probably up here too. So that's what I'm watching for. Oh, you bet. Go ahead and I'm telling y'all, I'm gonna double my account today. So that's what I'm gonna watch for. So we'll see. So basically we got 30 minutes. Like this counter closes 10:30 and 10:40 and 10:45. So like 10:45, we'll see what we get. You know, it actually be a little bit longer too, but we'll see what happens. If it gives me that D-low, we in there. And this broke structure too. This broke, like I look at this. This kind of broke below this. Broke and closed. That's what we need, broken close. And now look what EG did. EG actually broke and closed above that line. They mirror each other. Now this might not throw a D-low. This could just give us our shift that we got. You see, got that shift where we entered on a pullback. 1, 2, got 8 candles to be in profit, and we are like we would have been. But I would like G-Chef to give me a D-Low, and that'd be awesome. So I'll see what happens with this candle, with this in a minute. So what I'm gonna do is the trade might this day might not be over. It might not. So what I want to do is I'm gonna end this live, but trust me, if we get that D-Low, I'm gonna hop back on and y'all see what I'm talking about. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for tuning in. Today is Monday. It's really not a profitable day today. I mean, I'm in profit, but as far as it really didn't move too much today. So we'll see what happens. If nothing happens, if it doesn't give us anything, hey, we'll just be back tomorrow morning. I don't have to work, so I'll be wide awake at like 1 a.m. and I'm gonna see what this market does. Cause sometimes they move early, and and I want to catch it. I like this. It could, look at that. It could be doing that just to come back down here. Boom. But it already reached that. Let me see what EG did. EG hasn't even went up there yet. So we'll see. I'm going to watch them. And if something pop off, then I'll hop back on. So until next time.